to my welcome to Free Daily Crypto Review 2021. What is Free Daily Crypto? What are the features and benefits of Free Daily Crypto? Who should use Free Daily Crypto? How does it work? Welcome to Free Daily Crypto Review 2021. Claim your free cryptocurrency every 24 hours. Free Daily Crypto is a step-by-step guide to obtaining free cryptocurrencies. There are no technical requirements or out-of-pocket expenses. You remain entirely anonymous and behind the scenes with Free Daily Crypto. James Renouve tells you how to play the game from a whole different perspective. Everyone else is utterly missing the point, even if they are creating insane crypto out of thin air. With the click of a button, you can get free crypto every day. There are no out-of-pocket costs. A day's worth of 3 figures. With Free Daily Crypto you will get cryptocurrency for free. No out-of-pocket expenses. No software is required. Can start making money right away. Massive evidence. Massive success. No technical knowledge is required. Simply press a button. It doesn't get any more straightforward than that. Does that sound exciting? It is. They are banking free crypto every single day with a literal push of a button. No money out of pocket with free, exponential growth crypto using a brand new strategy. You simply get coin every single day with a push of a button. This is with no technical ability. Anyone can do this. No software or special ability needed. All with no money out of pocket. This is to the tune of 3 figures in daily value. Free Daily Crypto Overview. Product, Free Daily Crypto. Vendor, James Renouve. Launch date, 2021 June 4th. Launch time, 10 o'clock EDT. Front end price, $11. What are the features and benefits of Free Daily Crypto? You won't have to pay anything out of your own pocket. Aside from great crypto stories, I'm sure you've heard strategic real-life stories about people who have thousands of dollars and have lost everything due to digital coins. Even though the cryptocurrency market offers a wealth of opportunities, it also comes with a slew of risks. You can actually get more cryptocurrencies with Free Daily Crypto without having to spend a lot of money trading them. You don't have to worry about the price dropping tomorrow or next month. All you have to do now is get more coins safely. Simple to follow. The Free Daily Crypto course will walk you through every step necessary to gain a better understanding of the cryptocurrency market, how it works, and how you can profit from it. You do not, however, need to have any prior trading experience. Even if you are a complete novice, you can earn more cryptocurrency in a short period of time. Information that is useful. Whether you believe in cryptos or not, the world uses them and will continue to use them in the future. As a result, it's critical to be familiar with this field so you can grasp the fundamentals of how these coins work. You can avoid bad situations when people try to sell you useless coins and make money with cryptos if you have the right information. New approaches and points of view. I understand how easy it is to find a course about cryptos, such as how to trade them, how they work, and so on, but the vendor of Free Daily Crypto guarantees that what you will learn from this course is completely unique, meaning you will not find it anywhere else. Invest a little time, and you'll make money every day. After learning how to obtain cryptocurrency, you will be able to work for a few minutes or even seconds per day to obtain one coin. This process may take longer at first, but you will find that you are capable of obtaining more coins while spending less time in the long run. Check the outcomes. The vendor of this course had already made over $60,000 using the techniques he will teach you in this course prior to this promotion of Free Daily Crypto. If the vendor's results aren't enough to persuade you, you can check out feedback from other buyers for yourself. Who should use Free Daily Crypto? Free Daily Crypto is for anyone who wants to acquire more cryptocurrencies or make money with them. Those who will benefit from it include multiplayer online games, college students, people who work from home, people who are retired, people who work in offices, advertisers, cryptocurrency traders, as well as anyone else. How does it work? Step 1. Create an account in the first step. To view the information in the course, you must first create a new account. Step 2. Research the approaches. After you've successfully purchased the course, you can begin studying all of the lessons and strategies contained within. You'll need more or less time to complete the course depending on how much you know about the crypto playground. Because this is an online course, there is no rush and you can watch it as many times as you want. Additionally, you have the option of downloading PDF files to make learning easier. Step 3. Put the strategies to work in the real world. After you've completed the course and have a solid understanding of how to get coins, it's time to get started because you'll never get anything without putting in the effort. You may need a lot of time while implementing the strategies, but things will get easier over time. Free Daily Crypto Review and Final Thoughts. All truth has to go through 3 stages, philosopher Schopenhauer once said. The first step is a joke, the second is strongly opposed, and the third step is accepted. Bitcoin is a game changer, a revolutionary technology that has the potential to touch everyone on the planet. And free daily crypto is the newest and hottest way to get crypto for free. This is driving people insane. I hope that my free daily crypto review can assist you in making a more informed and timely decision. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on this blog post. Thank you for taking the time to read this. Wishing you luck.